Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So you join me yet again in the Sidekick's garage. Like I repeated the last video, he's off sorting out some lunch and we're trying to get the last bits in order to get the gearbox on the engine. So I have completed the throttle body rebuild. We were waiting on some bolts, so just a little bit of info if you're ever going to do a set of these. BMW, when they put, or whoever supplies them, Keyhine or whoever it is, when they put the bolts in for the butterfly, they peen the edge over, so when you back them out it just pulls the threads out of the brass. So make sure before you take them apart you've got longer M3 bolts and nylock nuts. We've also Loctited them just in case, but they're done, and there's no free play left in them. They were really bad before we service them, so hopefully that sorts cylinder imbalance problem out. We've got the crank seal, rear main seal in, refit of that. We've got the clutch assembled and centered with the shiny new friction plate. That's what we got going on, mate.
Gearbox is in, isn't there? Clutch is in. What do you reckon? That was easy, wasn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Don't want to jinx it yet, but
Scarily easier than it perhaps should have been. Have we got bits missing?
well, now wondering.
What's going on here?
That's again, you've got to get a shot.
Anything for the shot.
Anything for the shot. Keep the viewers happy. So
That's all them bolts in.
yeah. I think next will be the. Just go around and tighten those up, but then we're going to get the clutch slave in.
Yeah.
See if we can get that bled up, and then we'll get some stuff bolted on back in. Like stuff back this way.
To a roundy thing.
Yeah, hopefully we'll get that spinny thing on in a bit.
I've just had the fight of my life. So you can see Sidekick has got the drive shaft in. We've got the clutch slave fitted and bled, and then we were coming to put, I don't know what this is, it's a swing arm of some description that holds the drive shaft as well. And this boot, it has a tiny little lip in there, I don't know if you can see that, and there's a clip in there. Now, I didn't film it because we were both losing our rag with it, but to get that to actually seat and stay in there was a nightmare. I'm covered, but we got there. So hopefully we get this on, we'll be close to dropping the rear subframe down, I think, and getting the suspension in. So next on the list, I think, is pulling this seal out. We're going to replace this seal, and then we should be good to go, I think. So keep on keeping on. Oh, look at that.
There you go, mate.
Thank you.
I just drank mine before it came out.
So we've got a seal to do.
Sealing this, but that can go on.
Okay.
So we can get that bolted on. I'll quickly change this seal in this. We've got the final drive to go on.
Subframe down.
Subframe down, shock in.
Wheel in. Ride it home.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
So we've had no dramas.
No dramas.
No dramas today.
No, we're not. We won't mention any of that, will we?
It's all gone together. That tap and die set's not there for any reason.
No.
And it's got nothing to do with fuel lines.
No.
So if Darren's on this trip and there's any mention of fuel leaks, nothing to do with me.
So if I'm in the desert and I get a fuel leak and the bike goes up in smoke, who do I put the flame into?
Previous owner. I know him well.
all I can say, it's a good job we've got that box of bits on there.
Yeah.
Gazzy's box of bits.
That has saved the day yet again.
Yeah, again.
So last job.
We've set a target now, haven't we? Because it's getting late.
Throw the disc on.
We're going to throw the disc on, get the back wheel on, so it's looking bike-like again, and we're calling it a day because it is getting on. It's been a long day, hasn't it?
I think so.
It's been very hot as well.
Yeah.
So
a lot has been achieved though.
yeah, it's been a good day, hasn't it? Very good day. And we look at it, it's looking like a bike again.
It's all pretty darn good. I guess that's it from us.
For today, it's been a long day, hasn't it?
Yeah. So, hopefully it was entertaining.
Well, thanks for coming over, mate. Appreciate it. It's been hard work, hasn't it, today?
Come quite a way though.
It has, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at it, it looks like a bike again.
Yeah.
Still a bit to do, but
I reckon manageable.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff as per usual. And it's bye from me and
bye from me.